next warm-up exercise is inspired by a theater company called Frantic Assembly, and we're going to do it to the tune of Bumbaya. But before we do that, I'm going to break down the moves. The first move is an arm movement. Let's go pump up, pump down. Go pump up, pump down. Strong arms. Pump up, pump down. Now it's a side pump. So it's open, up. So it's 2. All right? From here, we're going to go side to side. So we're going to go to the right, side to side. And we're going to do hops, jumping at the balls of your feet. I'm just going to teach you all the moves, and then later you'll just have to do it with us. Jump the balls of your feet. Then we're going to do jumping jacks. All right, now you're going to hold as if you're holding a table, and then you're going to jump and twist your form. Then it also has a jump movement like this. And you can jump around. And then air guitar. Ooh, just your legs, just your arms. And then we're going to have a squat, a jump squat. It's going to clap, touch the ground. Clap, touch the ground. Then we have what is called a jazz run. I just call it a jazz run. Oh, you're really good at this one. And I think that's basically it. So we're going to do it to the music, and then you're going to do it with us.
Black pink in your area. Black pink in your area.
Being a bad girl, I know I am. And I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't want a boy, I need a man. Click, clap, bada bing, bada boom. With the box coming all the night, bada boom. Cause you get some, with the gun and dome. With the 남자들의 코피가 팡팡팡. 팡팡, 바다, 바다, 팡팡팡. 지금 날 위해 춤배를 짜잔짠. Hands up, 내 손에 바다 폴라맨이 네가 말로만 듣던 네가 나야. Bumbaya.